One question we get asked is, my timer's opening, but why is there no water coming out? The first thing, as silly as it sounds to check, would be to make sure that your tap and your splitter are fully open to allow the timer to work. Another common issue would be that the connector blocks within inside the timer are either loose or have come out. Simply take one out and put it back in again, just to make sure that everything's fully connected. If you've used a rain sensor, you would have had to remove the bottom loop. If you've then decided to take out the rain sensor, you will then need to reinsert this loop to create the circuit to allow the timer to work. Another question that we get asked is, why is the timer leaking from the top collar? There are two gaskets to look for. One sits in the top and the other one sits at the bottom. Just make sure that the gasket at the top and the gasket underneath is sitting flush and that there's no damage to them. The other question we get asked is how to do a factory reset on the timer. Simply press the two outside buttons together until it flashes up with 00.